Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across an error in Microsoft Word or any of the Office applications that says that Word could not start last time. Save Mode could help you troubleshoot the problem. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. So we're going to start this tutorial off by opening up the Start menu. Type in apps and features. Best match should go back on apps and features. Go ahead and left click on that. In the search this list field, go ahead and just click inside of it. And you want to search up Office. And you want to select your Office application. If there's some download in here or some advertisement that's like 1 megabyte, don't select that one. You want to select your actual installation here. And even if you accidentally selected the other one, you notice there's no modify option. So if you select it, you see it says move, but it's grayed out. You want to select the one that gives you the option to modify. So go ahead and select that. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes as well. And it's going to ask, how would you like to repair your Office programs? I would suggest starting with the quick repair, which fixes most issues quickly without the need for internet connection. And if that failed, you can go select the online repair option, which fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you are still having problems after a quick repair. So go ahead and select repair after you've made your selection. You should save and close out of any open programs and applications, any documents, spreadsheets before you begin. So go ahead and select the repair option. This will take a few minutes to run, so just be patient here. Okay, so this is done repairing. We've finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. So it doesn't look like you actually have to restart your computer. I would recommend, though, it's just usually good practice to do that. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.